Wsdg and from Tadika, Manja, Pintar, Canary. Today we are going to talk about building a sustainable city. A sustainable city is a place where people, plants and animals live happily while taking care of the earth. We need a sustainable city to keep our city clean, healthy and safe for everyone, including plants and animals for a long time. Here are 3 ways to make a city sustainable. First, use green energy. Second, recycle and reuse. Third, plant more trees. Now look at our model. See the house and street line with solar panel. They get energy from the sun in our city. Leftover food from hotels goes to food bank to feed the poor. We also compost kitchen waste and use it as fertilizer in gardens. Look at all the trees and parks. People in our city recycle plastic, glass and paper. They also use bicycle instead of car to reduce pollution. Our sustainable city support this cause: no poverty, zero hunger, good health, clean energy, sustainable city, climate action. Our city, everyone works together to protect the earth. Remember, you can help by saving energy, recycling and planting more trees. Thank you.